Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive. Keep growing, and happy programming to all.